Welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being here. Let me see the chat. Richard is here. I have a buy goal at 3703. Well, definitely not the best point, my friend. Products, but a good idea to open a loan into the new ATH. But well, probably we will see prices highest today. So, well, if you decide to hold the positions in negative, probably you will see some profit. It's a possibility. It depends for the 3690. To be honest, if we if we can take the position there or not. So well, let's see. This is the confirmation. What we need: 5 minutes, then the retracement, and then we will open the trade. Okay, hi bro. Welcome, Susanna is here. Nice to see you here, dear. Binary trader. Hello, my friend. I really enjoyed the when I was starting the binaries. So well, retracement with no confirmation. So good retracement at this moment. So well, LMS is here. Elena is here too. Nice to see you. Shoton is here. Just an opinion, bro. After this, very risky. Better go for sell. I tried the sell position yesterday in a really good position, and it didn't works nothing. So we will continue. So Kalish, I don't going to accept your advice, my friend. For today, again, I'm not going to test another sell position. Yesterday, I tried a sell position in a really nice volume sell zone. Everything looks great for that sell, and then just the price continue grow up. So well, for that reason, not a not a good positions, for opening a loan. Sorry, for opening a sell. Now it's just an open quotation, and people said like psychological level, but at this moment, I don't think um, investors don't care about that psychological levels. To be honest, Caroline, querida, ¿cómo estás? Espero que amanecieras bien. Todavía no estamos en posición. Marsilio Cassiano, hello, my friend. No, the trade is not open at this moment. It's not open at this moment. Yesterday I tried a long position in Dow Jones. Some pips, 30 pips with no too much risk. But the trade just stayed there with not too much movements. For that reason, um, I closed early. So while testing the first one, remember here first we need to wait the the confirmation, guys. We need to wait the confirmation. Okay. So now we are not into any trade. I'm going to clear here a little the. So well, let me read. Karelin no estamos en venta, estamos esperando la confirmación. We're waiting the confirmation, guys. We're waiting the confirmation. One guy told us like he opened us a long position in 3703. Clear example, like you need to wait the confirmations, guys. Just don't open a random trades. So let's waiting the confirmation, guys. Waiting the confirmations. Um, and well, for example, open a long position in 3703. It's the probably it's the 80th now, and you don't wait the retracement. That's the result, and totally negative. positions. I tried to open a sell position yesterday. Well, I received my confirmation. That's different, you know. That's different. I received a really nice sun and everything. But well, the price is into the ADH. For that reason, I'm not going to open any sell position today. I will continue with the long positions, guys. Esperando la posición de entrada, esperando esos 6 minutos. Aún no está confirmado. The confirmation is something looks like a pin bar reaction. Pin bar reaction. Hello, Kerjan. How are you? Good. I've been using your story for yesterday and today. Surprisingly, these are both looking like a charm sometimes. Yes, it's really good, my friend. And Janice here. Nice to see you here, dear. How to confirm? Just waiting 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Rosanna, yes. Yesterday was the Independence Day in my country. Was the Independence Day of my in my country. And 240 years to be an independence country. So beautiful. Okay, boy. I'm from Costa Rica. So for that reason, no streaming. I continue with the giving support by Discord and by Telegram, but not too much to do yesterday, to be honest. Gold didn't do that much. Um, and same for the others. You know, the price just still there. Nothing else. Just with some pips in positive for Dow Jones. And that's it. Not too much to do yesterday, to be honest. Which country? Costa Rica. Costa Rica. Happy. Well, am my friend. Thanks. Thanks for that. Probably yes. You know, probably yes. Probably we will see prices around 38. It depends. So well, guys. Now it testing the sun. It testing the sun. So probably I will start with the sorry with the Nasdaq trade, but it depends. At this moment, 2 minutes to confirm. 2 minutes to confirm. The position is not open at this moment, so be careful. We are not into any trade at this moment. No estamos en un punto para tomar una decisión. Right now, this candle didn't look like a pin bar reaction, like a candle confirmation. No se ve como una confirmación de entrada, así que a seguir esperando. We are still waiting. We are still waiting. Please be clear of that, okay? We need to wait another 15 minutes because we need to clarify If we got something like this, what is something like this? Like this spin bar, or something like an engulfing candle. So just wait, guys. Just wait. The price is still there, so that's great. Let's see, and let me check the positions here. But it's very well. So don't open a Kalish. I already explained you. Don't open any position. If you don't want to open the loan, just continue with your sales, my friend. As simple as that. Okay, guys. So at this moment, this we need to wait another 15 minutes for clarify the position. Yes, we're going to open a trade for Nasdaq. It's into the nice point, but it's the same as gold. It's in a process. If you go in Nasdaq and see the chart in 15 minutes, you will see at least four dojis, for example. So now we don't have the confirmation into the sun, so we need to wait another 15 minutes. So I guess to take the advantage, I'm going to take the advantage for eat my lunch, well my breakfast, and I'll be back. Okay. So, well, guys, back. I was eating. Well, basically, it's breaking the sun. Check for here. We have an abolition sun. Okay, here. This is the resistance in 3575. There. So let's see with this last 4 minutes for clarify the position. Reaction to the for the buyers. So let's see. If the price go back at least to the 36.85, we can continue with the same sum. If not, it will break the sun, guys. Okay, the sun 91. Probably they want to test the 36 70 76, something like this. Okay, the reaction was hard. Okay, I'm going to start with Nasdaq. Here, still there by my side, ending the price around 36.85. So let's see what happened with this. Um, okay. uh, 24. So, well, what happened now? Let's see if the price can continue or ending near to 36.85, something like this. Okay, so ending the trade in Dow Jones here. Mm, 24. TP1, 24, 327, 24, 327. TP2, 24. Okay, 24 here. Mm, okay. 4, 3, 4, 1, TP3, 4, 3, 6, 2, okay. Mhm. Okay, 41. Good reaction here for buyers. Okay, so 0.5. Let's expect the price ends near to the 36.88. No more than that. When the price ends near at least near to 36.86, but no more than that, guys. That's the difficult thing when we are waiting. Um, and well, in my lovers, yes, because I was opening position in in Nasdaq, Nasdaq. So I was thinking in load boys. Hard reaction here, as you can see, hard reaction for sellers testing the 0.5. Trader by dia. Can we enter? No, my friend. We were waiting 5 minutes more at least. We need to know what happened with this candle. Okay, if the price ends near to the 36.85 at least, probably we will open the trade. If not, we need to wait. We need to wait. How do you celebrate your Independence Day family party? Well, here in Costa Rica, it was really nice. We start in September 14th with some um, activities in the night, and then September 15th we go out to the streets and see um, I don't know how to say the group of people like playing music. Uh, Desfile. I don't know how to say desfile in English. Well, the parade. The parade. It's like a music parade with a traditional music parade. Parade. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Really enjoy it. It's yes, something similar, like with some bands with traditional music. All the people is outside celebrating the Independence Day. 204 years being independence country. So it's too much, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So we're waiting, guys. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. When do you come to IRM? Gorbani, probably. Um, I don't know. Looks like um, not that safe for us. Independence from Spanish. Yes, exactly. For independence from Spain. Like I is here. Yeah, my country is beautiful. It's beautiful. Many mountains, the rainforest, the beaches. Really, really nice country. So 2 minutes. One minute. ACE. I don't have a code, my friend. Just you need to use the link, and that's it. So well, the pressure for the buyers disappear at this point. So well, Juan Felipe está aquí también. Okay. So well, it will test the next position for the 36 77 3677. Okay. Well, 78. Let me update the sums here. So 1 hour. We have another spot sell zone finally again. Volume. That's not 1 hour. It's there. And the next one is here. Okay, perfect. So nice retracement. Let me date the positions here. So the price is there. Now we got this in 3690. 94. 94 is there. So the sell zone is there around the arriving to the second zone. 3677 or is 3678? That could be a good point. Perfect. So well here, let's try if we can have a good reaction there. Have a good reaction there. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. What do we need here? Something like a beam bar reaction looks great. Six minutes. So well, 4 minutes. That's great. Looks like a beam bar reaction. Everyone, so the price ends near to the 36.80, something like this. 36.78. Well, with a good reaction, with a good reaction for test the all time high again. We'll try. Nasdaq is still there into the point of entry with not too much movements. So we're waiting the confirmation, guys. What we need, like waiting the confirmation. Waiting the candle confirmation. Candle confirmation. Waiting the candle confirmation into the sun. We are in 15 minutes. Remember, we're in 15 minutes. I'm from Costa Rica. Costa Rica. Let's wait this candle. It's not a hammer. It's like a beam bar reaction. Beam beam bar reaction. That is what I'm looking for. From Costa Rica, guys. I'm from Costa Rica. Así que igual puede. Los que hablan español, recuerden que estamos esperando. Aún no. No estamos tomando ninguna confirmación. Estamos esperando una confirmación nada más. So, well, the price stopped there. So that's a great signal. Let's see. Remain on this. Testing the. Okay, something what we need right now. It's just the price. Give us the proper reaction, the proper retracement. Let's be ready for that. hmm Looks strong. Proper reaction. What means a proper reaction? The price ends up to the 3681. More than that 0.5. course, I don't want to see the prices test the 36.85, for example. I prefer just stay here, relax. The price is still there. It already touched the buy some, but that's the thing. We need to get this confirmation. If the candle ends like this, that will be awesome. But well, 30 minutes for wait. We'll test the 35, 38.85. It's increasing so hard. Testing the 38.85. And that's not a good news. Why? Because it's changing the point of entry for around 60, 50 pips. That's not a great signal. Let's see. Let's see. 36.84. At least if the prices stay around 36.83, that would be awesome. But I don't think the price stay like those points. So well, Doug Master is here. Welcome, my friend. Kerry, yes, was a good reaction, but the thing is, we're not into the trade at this moment. Um, well, guys, remember, speaking English, speaking English, speak in English. In English, speak in English. Zach, no, we are waiting. Estamos esperando, waiting. Of course, the price looks beautiful at this moment, but waiting 9 minutes more. So well, 7 minutes and the price continue testing the 36.85. Yes, it's a strong buy, but well, it didn't give us the proper reaction, the proper retracement. Um, Now, of course, it looks beautiful. It's beautiful, but it changed our point of entry. That's the thing. What I don't like it, when this candle. Well, that's the thing. I don't like the ATH process. When it touch some it gives us a reaction that's so hard reaction, and it changed the plan. Now we're so far, to the buy some. We're so far to the 36.78, 36.77 now. Possible point of entry around 36.80. Well, this is a candle confirmation. This is a beautiful candle confirmation, but so hard. It's really hard. And well, that things happen when we have the an ATH process. Mhm. So well, last 5 minutes. So well, 3686. Unfortunately, this it's not a good reaction. It's not a good reaction. Beautiful candle, of course. And well, that's great. That's great reaction. Everything looks great. But now it's a massive near 2000. So, well, this is the confirmation what we need. Now, it's possible point of entry 3683. I hate this process, guys. I hate this process. I hate the process to the all-time heights because everything is all the reactions is like so hard. So well, last candle. Now we got this candle. So well, we will try the position. If the price give us a retracement or something, probably we're not going to see a retracement. Not a deep retracement. So let's see. Okay, so waiting the retracement, guys. Waiting the retracement around 36, could be 84, could be a good point. 3683 could be a good point. 80, 3682 could be a good point. Mr. Fly. So, well, little retracement. We got an accumulation in 3686. Well, the accumulation is still there. 3686. Just try to be ready, guys. Just try to be ready. 3686 86 could be a good point, but I prefer at least 3685 at least. So let's try to be ready. Okay, finally 3685. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So well, now it's in 3685. Mm. It's the thing is, I'm reading. I really wants to go back more. Leads to the 0.5, but I don't. I think it can grow up soon. So I need to take a decision. I need to take a decision. Um, and let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Still waiting. Pure patience. It depends. It depends for that. But well, that sun. That sun looks great. But we need the retracement. We need the retracement, guys. That's the thing what I need. That's the thing what we need. Okay, reaction again in 3685. 36.85. Let's see the. Let's see these 2 3 minutes more. Okay, 36.85. Waiting and be ready. $36.84. Okay, we got the accumulation there. And the price is going still there. So well, um, 36.85. We already touched the 36.84. Hard reaction again. $36.85. And some volume. Uh-huh. Okay, we will wait the next candle. Um, around, yes, 84 looks strong. I'm seeing the chart in 1 minute. Remember, let's be ready. 3686. Come on. Go back. Just we need the retrace, man. Go back. Go back. Go back. Ah, Jesus, I know it. I need to open it in 3685. Well, now we are in 3687. Um, then it looks like something, the price will go down, to be honest. If the price goes up and break the 3689, we would lose the position. Now it's still waiting. I don't like this structure in 1 minute. To be honest, I don't like it. But well, it's the only strong point what I can see now. It's the 3685. Of course, 3684 could be a point, and the best point of entry probably 3682. So well, let's see the reactions there. Still waiting. Today, just we have one trade for the time. We got some high impact news in the morning. Generate some retracement, then generate another ATH. And this week is tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think tomorrow is the funk, right? Um, it's not an easy week. It's not an easy week. Many speculations. Ah, I'm angry with the price when the reaction with this on them even 36.81. That reaction was massive. Well, um, yeah, it's that's all, guys. That's all. That's all, guys. Well, this is the this is an environment what we have. Probably if I open the position 36.85, everyone here is being positive. Well, I didn't take the entry. Didn't take the entry. I didn't take the entry in 36.85. Um, sorry for that, guys. Sorry for that. I know it. And I remember same situation we got the last week. Same same reactions. Um, that's all. That's all, guys. 31 is here. Is the South Sun is here. So well, this is the that was the ideas for today. Congratulations for the ones who take the entry in 36.85. Um, Now it's in positive. Well, um, I'm not going to take a sell position today, guys, to be honest. Um, we are into the ATH process, probably. The thing is, today was the last day for we can take relaxed position, you know. But for tomorrow, let me see. No, tomorrow we don't have any news. Yes. Uh, yeah, today was the last day for take relaxed trade. Um, not much, you know. Tomorrow, tomorrow, just Thursday, Friday will be very difficult, very difficult, very difficult. So, well, guys, times for the ads. Let me clarify here. Someone is asking about the instant funding. Someone is asking about the instant funding. Remember, for the best options, what you need, if you need to clarify what is the best prop firm, what is the best challenge, what is the best instant account funding, just go into the propermatch.com, and there you will see the best information about that, guys. You can click the link. You can click the link and see that information. Just read the reviews, read all the options, what do you have there. And of course, if you use the link, you will receive the best offers and the best discounts. Okay, just go there into the profitmatch.com and you will see beautiful information about the most trustable prop companies into the market, guys. So, well, guys, by my side, I'm going to take a break for 10 minutes. The last trade give me some extra pressure, and I'll be back. Okay, I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll be back. Going to get some coffee and back. Need to restart my mind, and then I will come back. So well, guys, arriving into the cell soon. Arriving into the cell soon. To be honest, I don't want to take this position, the sell position. So brand dump is not boring. Just just we don't take the entry in 36.85. That's the only. That was my mistake today. So don't take the long position in 36.85. The thing is, I believe we will see another 80H today. So Mohammed, we can share that it hits the sell some bar. No, my friend. I think we will see prices around 30, 37.05. So well, so her reaction into the 90 91. The Samsung, it's there. 92. I shared this into my district community. The possible point of reactions for the day And as you can see, well, I first shared the 3691 and the 3678. So, well, into the volume sum, we got this confirmation, heart reaction there. So, well, we can try the sell position following this strategy. Why following this strategy? This is the volume zone in 1 hour. This is the volume zone in 1 hour. Um, and well, for that reason, we can try that position. We don't have another sell zone here more than this resistance, this support in 3686. Mm, so well, that's the information what I share into the Discord, the point of interest, the point of first than the entries. So well, let's see what happened. The thing is, FX CM have a different some like 5 6 pips difference prices. So for that reason, sometimes the Selson didn't looks like a very host for this. So well, now it's when as a head of this community, I need to take a decision. Well, so preparing the sell position goal. Preparing a short position goal, we will wait the retracement. We will wait the retracement. We got the confirmation. Now we need to wait the retracement. The thing is, again, same situation. It's falling hard. So let's see. This is the last trade what I'm going to try today, because well, many many positions Okay, let's be ready. Retracement, guys. Let's be ready. Let's be ready. Testing the 0.5. Testing the 0.5. $36.88, $36.89, inclusive $36.90 could be a good point. So preparing the short position. Retracement. Beautiful retracement. Ten seconds more. Testing the point. 36.89, 36.90. $36.90. Let's wait at 36.90. Waiting the little consolidation there. So some seconds more. Waiting some seconds more. Remember, I'm seeing the chart in 1 minute for this reason. I'm trying to wait little consolidation in 1 minute. Okay, 2, 3 candles. Waiting, esperando, aún no. Estoy esperando la consolidación en 1 minuto. Waiting the consolidation in 1 minute. Okay, looks like this candle probably could give us, or the price could give us the point there. Perfect. Looks like price will stay there. $36.89. Still growing up. $36.90. $36.90. Okay. Just we need this candle. One candle more. One candle more. For see that beautiful consolidation in 1 minute. Some seconds more. Everyone be ready. If you are holding a long position, or if your idea is to open a long position, defend your idea and defend your point. Don't change your ideas just for copying me, okay? Be clear of that. Be clear of that. Okay, consolidation it's now. Consolidation it's now. So it's time to open the trade. I'm in a short position now. the lot size. So en venta ya 36.90. Read the chat if you don't understand too much English. Read the chat. Mm-hmm. 36.90. Mm-hmm. $36.94. Okay, let me work into the TPS. 36. 6, that's 15. 36. 84. 53. 36. 82. 40p. 36. 77. Okay. 36.94 is the stop. Let's see what we have. 36.86. 53. Okay. 84. Then 50. 70. 82. Let's see the reactions there. Last 5 minutes. Of course, with these 5 minutes, we need to stay at least near to the 36.89. At least near to the 36.89. Now we are still there into that accumulation in 1 minute. So let's see if we can find a good reaction there. We got the point of reaction as 36.91 and the 36.92. So not too much point of reaction. That's not good. Last 3 minutes. Well, 4 minutes at this moment. So as usual, I prefer to stay the price stay strong in the last 5 6 candles than the first 10 candles, for example. So that's great. That's a good signal. Price is still there. Price is still there. $36.90. Last 2 minutes. We need to stay at least under the 36.91. That's good. That would be great. And of course, we want to see the prices breaking the 36.89. A minute. This is the last candle ending near to our point of entry. So that's great. It's not that difficult, but the bad thing is giving us a point of reactions for buyers, of course. The point of reaction is that 0.5. The price is ending into our point of entry. That's great. Well, now we need to break the 36.88 if we want to continue for the TPS. That's the first step to break the positions. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Again, testing the 3691. So, best decision to skip this trade, honestly, okay. Fuck focal. Just skip the trade, my friend. See you tomorrow. Or if not break, we will see the stop loss. Yeah, trade with us. If we don't see any break of the 3688 and the price go back and give us a reaction here, of course we will hit the stop loss. That is the what if. So well, out in the same position, I'm into a sell position. If you don't want to take the trade, don't take it. As simple as that. All the trade is risky, my friend Kedari. But if you want to buy it, it's your decision. Like stocks and crypto, no, my friend. No, my friend. To be honest, no. Because most of the people here they want to daily, things like open a trade now. Let's see fast money. But to be honest, if I will give you an investment advice, it's just buy um the real estate, my friend. For it's it's uh it's what I like. It's all the money what I do, I invest in the real estates here in my country, and that's it. That's my. It's something like all the people need a place, to live. Or if you can sell, that house what you already bought, you can rent it. You will generate some money. For me, the real estate is the it's the deal. Chances to hit TP realistically, I would say around 70% to 75% to take the TP1, and 65% to take the TP2, 55% to take the TP3. So let's see. For the stop, we said 30% or something. So, well, if you don't have enough money, for example, um, it's just, for example, buy the stocks like not that um, expensive. Don't think, for example, in Amazon. Don't think, for example, in Nvidia. Try to find some companies, for example, the The have I remember one, the casino companies in Las Vegas. Nice. How can I say it in English? Well, they pay you like every month. If you want to start, I recommend like the the word in Spanish is dividendos. Those in English, dividends. Try to find companies uh, give some dividends. Wait 1 2 years, 1 2 years with that company as every month. Try to save some money. Well, when you get some money, just invest. Like for example, Nvidia, um, Amazon is always a good option. Inclusive these stocks like McDonald's. If you go to the chart to McDonald's for I don't know in 2005, for example. I remember when I was in 2005, I was in school. But if you go and check the charts in McDonald's for for if you get the McDonald's stock and hold for 5 10 years, you will see a really nice improvement. It's easy, it's easy. It's really nice. But you need to generate the patience. So dividend stocks for generate the patience will help you real too much. Will help you really really nice. So yes, that's my recommendation. Mhm. Glory at the Bane, Father, its name. Dividend each month. Yes, you need to find the dividend. Not all the companies. Some companies is every 3 months. Other companies is like 6 months. Other companies is 1 year. Um, well, it depends. It depends of your company, of the company whether you're going to choose. Um, and well, this is my recommendation. Just go and try to find in investing. In investing, you can do it very easy. For example, I would give you an example. Let me open my investing. Mhm. Well, let's wait the TP1. Let's wait the TP1 for show this. Well, if you touch it, of course. Mhm. Become. I think it's going to take some time. So, well, for example, in investing, it's really easy to clarify what is the best position. Just go in your watch list. Then your watch list, you pick the stocks here. This is some of the stocks what I'm enjoying to hold. Um, for example, BG properties, they pay they pay every month some percentage for the um for 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 mm, for your investment. If you buy $100, they will give you 0.60% for your investment. Okay, every month. It's the same for restaurant brands. This is for Burger King, Papa John's, I think. This one it's the same for Itaú Unibanco. This bank give us a really nice um, really nice dividends. Itaú Unibanco. Qualcomm was a nice company too. Apple, Facebook, Nvidia, Amazon, Walmart, HP, of course, DSP. Well, many. I have this is the ones what I have, and I enjoy to hold positions. It's not that much. My portfolio, and it's not that hard, but this something like what I really enjoyed. Being where. So if you want to take a picture here, just go there. You will see the information there, the dividends. So you hold on the euro. I hold it at least. I'm thinking to hold it at least 5 years more. At least 5 years more, my friend. Brain dump your TP1 in success. Okay, that's great. Share your profit, my friend. Okay, just we need 6 pips for touch the TP1. Let's see what we have. So the good thing with this is the price will be break the 0.5. So that's awesome. So we can continue with some pressure here. Let's see if the last 10 seconds we can continue with that pressure because it's going up so hard. Not that hard, but well, you understand the idea, guys. At this moment, it's easy to hold. Well, so you can see in the last seconds, it respect the 0.5. Again, the deal what we need is break the 3688 because in 15 minutes it can break it. It can break broke it. It's a pleasure, Kurjan. It's a pleasure, my friend. But yes, with the stocks, it's really slow. It's a must to be patient. And you need to clarify, for example, okay, going to start investing 30 dollars as an example, $30 per month. It doesn't matter what happened with the companies. I'm going to start investing $30 every month in this company, because it's at the end of the month you say, okay, I have for free 30 dollars, so I'm going to start investing every day, every month, and then in the end of the year you have a really good money. Probably the dividends will help you very, really, really much. Mm, 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 mhm, mhm, mhm. For example, in BC companies, it's around, I don't remember. It's like sometimes it's 1%, sometimes it's here that 60, sometimes it's less, here that 30. It depends. In general, one company could give us 5% per year. And well, it depends. It depends of the company. Daniel, if you want to set the B, you can set the B, my friend. No issues. But yes, scourging in general around 4%, 6%. It's the normal what you win for your investment in one company. So while waiting, holding the same position. Let's see what happened. Accumulation there. Again, we need to break the 3688. We need to break the 3688. Time. So still there in a consolidation. Again, I prefer to the first 10 minutes continue like this, not too much, and the last 5 minutes end with a really strong position. Let's see what happened. Even inclusive of this point, we can go straight to the stop loss. So be careful, guys. Be careful. If you feel so stressful, if you don't like the trade, you don't like the position, just close it in positive, and that's it. The other ones who understand we are doing trading, you can hold with me. The last candle give us a sort of reaction in 36.88. What candle? This green candle give us a sort of reaction really strong. So we need to break the 36.88 if we want to continue for the TPs. If we break the 36.88 TP1, for sure we will touch the TP3 at least. But it's pure patience. It's pure patience. Pure patience. We'll test the point of entry again. Okay, Cam is in the break even. That's your decision, my friend. Just take your own decision, then that decision will make you happy, my friend. That's the idea. If you take your own decision, that's decision. It's enough, you know. You take a decision, so that's great. Price is trying to break the zero, the 36.88. Nasdaq looks beautiful, but it's so quiet. So that's make me worry about that. So well, again, trying to break the 36.87. The last two candles, we need these two candles ends near to the 36.87, or at least touch the TP1. Almost there. Almost there into the TP1. Remember, for the hour, when we touch, if we touch the TP1, we will be in break even. Uh, losing the pressure, losing the pressure. A minute. Defending the 36.88. Unfortunately, buyers are still defending the 36.88 as much as they can. So it's a doji, ending as a doji. So ending in 36.88. Let's see if we can go back again. Mhm. So well, again, price is trying to go back to the TP1. So well, testing again the 3688. Let's see if we can take this position. So well, again, I prefer the first 10 candles ends near to the point of entry, but not too much, and the last five candle give us a good reaction. Let's see, we are in an accumulation for the last candle. Consolidation, sorry, consolidation. Mhm. The apple grower in New York session, my friend. New York session. New York session, my friend. The TP1, I would say the 75% of probabilities to touch it. Severance, a high effort to find. I'm gonna. So well, again, try to break the 3688. That would be awesome if we touch the TP1 now. We can continue with that pressure, but it depends totally for the next. In 5 minutes, looks beautiful with some volume, strong. In 10 minutes, the next two candles it's really important because the last candles in 10 minutes ends with a like a doji or a pin bar reaction, so that's not good for our intentions. So for the next 2 minutes, we need to see this. The price ends near to 36.87. Again, looks like a doji. Dojis, pure dojis at this moment. Buyers defending again the 36.86. Another doji. Well, it's ranking now. Yes, it's ranking. So we need to break that 36.88. I'm from Costa Rica. I'm from Costa Rica, guys. Bash. Access. Thomas Bash. Almost there. But again, we need to end this candle near to that point. Or before. Investing, my friend. For the news, I use investing. Well, now looks great. This is the last 3 minutes. We need more. That little resistance in 36.87. That 30. It's defending the point. In 10 minutes looks beautiful. 5 minutes looks really nice. Just in 15 minutes, we need to end this pressure. So these 3 minutes at least, we need to stay there near to the 36.87. That's all. Last 3 minutes. Ending with a strong pressure. Mhm. Okay. 36.87. That 50. Well, the TP1 it's now, guys. Finally, TP1, TP1 it's now. TP1 it's now. TP1 it's now, guys. TP1 it's now. No, it's time to set the break even. It's now, guys. The break even. It's now. Break even. It's now. The break even. It's now. Break even. Break even. It's now, guys. The break even. It's now. Share your profits. Share your profits. Susanna is here. Nice to see you here again. So, well, this is the last candle. Let's expect. Finally, we are breaking the 3688. Now we need to break the TP1. Well, the ones who hold the position are the ones who close the trade. I take the partial and holding the position. Take the partial and holding the position in break even. I take the partial and holding my position in break even because it's not time um, to hold without break even. Why? Because the market almost closed in 3 hours, so that's not that good. 30, 35 pips with no too much risk against the trend. Um, well, difficult one. Remember, if you want more entries by Telegram or Discord, just contact me by WhatsApp. And the other, remember, guys, if you're thinking for take any profit challenge, just go into the profitmatch.com. There you will see the best offers, the best discounts for the most trustable prop firm companies. I will share the link into the chat. Just go into the chat, see the information, and of course, read the reviews about the people who are taking the challenge and everything. The link is into the chat, of course. Click into the link and see the best offers for the most trustable prop firm companies into the market, guys. Sorry. So now just relax. Well, Daniel Sulim, $100. That's great. $56, $2. Well, guys, remember this is the I need to generate entries. I know that. For the people here, for the people into the Telegram, I know it's not the best rate. 35 pips. I'm trying to find the position as best as I can. So well, TP1 with no too much risk, partial break even for that reason because probably there, here is a support zone, so probably there we will see a retracement. So for that reason, it's important to follow the instructions, guys. It's important to follow the instructions there. Mhm, mhm. So well, good reaction there. The thing is, we need to hold, hold the position, and that's all. Now it's time to be patient, guys. The break even is there, and that's it. I don't know if someone is holding. Well, I think as the Sumer is holding. Um, well, everything. Some people is holding. You can book your profit, some profit. That's what I explain, guys. Um, you need to understand. You need to take some partials, at least 20% in TP1. It's okay, at least. But well, what's happening? And the market is still there. Yeah, the market is still there with the TP1. I leave because the price generate a volume sell some into the 3691. That was the reason for open the sell position. No, I don't use the Bollinger Bands. So well, again, TP1. I think the price probably will grow up. To be honest, I think it will going up. Well, it depends of the information. I'm not good with the. I'm not good with the. How can I say with the news? Um, I'm not good with that. So well. Shines a ray on the sun. So well, guys, by my side, I will hold the position in break even. If we sign up your link and deposit to week access to Telegram, and this, yes, you will receive an automated email with the steps how to receive the Telegram and the Discord. Okay, remember, guys, if you want to visit the website is the option too. Trading.pro, or just contact me directly by WhatsApp. $79 1 year subscription for the Telegram, guys. By my side, that's all. The price probably will touch the break even. Need to stay there. So Problem tomorrow. This trade, I tried this trade because everyone wants money. Everyone's fast money. 35 pips. Well, see, it's good. TP1, take some partial. Let's pray for tomorrow will be a best day, but it's going to be difficult, guys. It's going to be difficult. You need to understand that. Okay. So see you soon. Hopefully, everyone can take a good, a nice profit. Profit is profit, guys. That's the important thing. What you need to understand. So I'll be back. The links are there. If you need to contact me, there, just click there. The prices is there. Thanks for the support, and I'll be back in Tokyo session. And tomorrow, well, Tokyo session for Telegram people, and for the rest of the people, I'll be back here in New York session. Thanks for the support, guys. Thanks for always being here. Thanks for always. John De La Rosa, $79 for Tokyo session and New York session, my friend. London, I sleep. I sleep in London always. So Tokyo and New York session, 4 entries per day. I'll be back in Tokyo for the people in Telegram. Thanks for everything. And I'll be back here for New York session, guys. Hold your positions in break even, or it's an option if you want to hold, just close